I'm going to share with you how I have started my journey to FBA Amazon program, selling business, or how I established my business on selling products on Amazon as well as on eBay. So I'm going to share with you what procedures that I have taken until to this step, and what steps that I'm going to take to establish a fully running business on Amazon as well as on eBay. What I want to share with you is that what are the requirements, what are the procedures that you need to know so that you establish your own business on Amazon. What is going on? Welcome to Business Ideas and Entrepreneur Skills. My name is Hussein. If this is your first time here on this channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that you don't miss anything. If you have not yet watched my previous videos that I've made on business ideas and entrepreneur skills, please click the link in the description below so that you watch those previous videos. Today I'm going to share with you how I have started my journey to FBA Amazon program, selling business, or how I established my business on selling products on Amazon as well as on eBay. So I'm going to share with you what procedures that I have taken until to this step, and what steps that I'm going to take to establish a fully running business on Amazon as well as on eBay. What I want to share with you is that what are the requirements, what are the procedures that you need to know so that you establish your own business on Amazon. So stay to the end of this video, as well as try to subscribe on this channel so that you get to know what procedures that I'm taking to establish my own business. I know I have already started some part, and there are other part which are the main important part for establishing an Amazon business, and I would like you to know what I am going through. So far what I have done is that I have already researched a product to sell, researched already a manufacturer to supply my products. I have already chosen a design of a product that I'm going to sell. So that involves a lot of procedures. I'm going to show all these other steps that I've done previously in the later videos, but today I just want to let you know that I'm going to release all these episodes on my channel, what I'm going to establish my fully functioning business on Amazon. Other things, like I just want to show you some of the products that I have received from my manufacturers. This is some of the beauty product that I'm going to sell on internet, and I received from China. These are sample products. As you can see, I have like some liquids that people apply here, I mean your eyelashes. And some other products like this one here is also another type of beauty product. This other one I also received from my supplier, and this is a car cleaning product that I'm also selling on Amazon. So far I have received the sample products and the products that I'm going to sell, and what I'm going to do is that how you are going to put other things together. So stay connected to this channel and get to know what I'm going through to establish my own business, so that you also replicate or you also do the same. So click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get the upcoming videos on how I'm going to establish this, what I'm going through. So stay connected. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next episode.